Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discuss about a topic. The topic is how to use Microsoft Remote Desktop Connection. Do you need to remotely access and control another Windows PC? Microsoft Remote Desktop Connection tools can help you get it done. Here how to set up and use it. Need to access a remote PC from another computer or a mobile device. Microsoft Remote Desktop Connection (RDC) tool will let you connect from afar as long as the remote Windows computer is turned on and set up for a remote connections. You can grab a file, open an application, troubleshoot a problem, or just work remotely. Through RDC, you can remotely access multiple Windows computers over the same network, whether they are at home or at your office. If you remotely log into your employer network through a VPN or other security gateway, you can use RDC to connect to other PCs in your office or business, assuming your IT department allows it. To start or accept remote connections, the computer must be running Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise or Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise. The Home Edition of Windows does not Microsoft support and connection that and enable. Then to start or accept or remote connections, the computer must be running Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise or Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise. The Home Edition of Windows does not support the features. Remote desktop connection is built into Windows but can also be installed from the Microsoft Soft Store. If you want to access and control a computer from a non-Windows device, Microsoft RDC app is also available for MS, Mac, iOS, and Android. Set up Microsoft Remote Desktop Connection. First, you or someone else must physically sign into the PC you want to remotely access. Enable remote desktop on this computer by going to setting system remote desktop. Turn on the switch next to remote desktop. Click confirm to enable the setting. In Windows 10, the options to keep your PC awake for connections or plugged in the make your PC discoverable on private network should both be enabled. Leave both options enabled. Instead, click the advanced setting link. To check the box next to require computer to use network level authentications NLA to connect. NLA adds tighter security for remote connections over the same network as user must be authenticated before gaining access to the remote PC. Assuming you are connecting to a computer on the same network or you are using a VPN or dedicated gateway for a work network, you can ignore with the external connection sections. The remote desktop port section shows the default port or listen for the accept or remote connections. By default, any user with an admin account on the remote PC and access it, assuming you are using a Microsoft account or a user account for your company to sign into Windows and your account has administrative rights. Your best bet to simply that. If you want to grant remote access to a different account, return to the remote desktop setting screen and click select user that can remotely access this PC. Choose add and enter the username for that account. Make note of the name of this computer as you will need it to log in remotely. If you wish to change the computer name, follow these steps. Windows 11 dispenses with the advanced setting and simply display the PC name and the option for adding another account that can access the PC. Click the select who can remotely access this PC setting if you need to grant a different account remote access capabilities. Connect to remote PC from Windows. Now let's say you want to connect to this remote PC from your current computer at home. To launch the remote desktop connections tools in Windows 10, click the Start button, scroll down to the Windows Accessories folder and click the Remote Desktop Connections shortcut. In Windows 11, click the Start button, select the All App button, scroll down and select Windows 11. With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.